Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live very quickly, in case this is one of your first videos of mine you've watched. When I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So if you are looking for a video where the person's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, then this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the market open. Okay, I have an order at $9 here, looking to pick up some puts. So I need Tesla. In fact, let's do this. Let's go to 875. Bit of a guessing game when it comes to the options and where the option price is going to be. So Tesla price itself is going to need to come up a bit more. Although that, I think that was the move I was looking for. 773. Yep, there it goes. Okay, well, didn't quite had the general idea right, but not the exact fine tuning of it, and that's how it goes. So that was my options trading platform that we were just looking at. But I wanted to come over here to the stock platform because I'm looking at Coin 71 as a potential short point. I alerted this earlier in the chat room. So familiar, my community. So right there, 71 flush point. So let's see if it wants to come down to that area. So again, watching 71 in there at 71.05. So let's see if we can get the move down through there. There's the break. Now really just a question of can we get some good continuation here? And it's struggling here a little bit. So just looking for this to get some more movement. Yeah, it's definitely struggling. A little bit of a bounce here. The chart hasn't done anything wrong per se yet. So I got to try to get out here at 72. Well, now slippages get me. All right, out there for a much bigger loss than what I was thinking and wanting. So that's unfortunate. I would be interested again at 71.50 if that wants to come back into play. Go ahead and pause. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some contracts here at 1075. Looking for this thing to get rejected off this resistance and come down. So out there for a quick $500 scalp. So that helps out. And now we'll look to go to 850. go to 8. Actually, let's get a little bit greedier on this. Let's go to 775. All right, I'll pause and I'll keep you updated. Okay, gonna go ahead and get short here, 786 on Tesla. $100 shares short. It's being a bit more difficult than what I expected. So I'm just going to hop out there. Small $37 gain. Might still go, but my timing was... All right, so there, kind of. Even that, I thought it would go. I got a very nice candle there. And am I being a little bit more aggressive? Yeah. Since I am in a hole, I'm certainly, definitely am being more aggressive. And that's exactly why. Look at that. Level 2s. Learn them right over here. Are they perfect? No, nothing is perfect. But did they help me out in a big way right there? They absolutely did. Because look at that. Breakdown and then just doing the exact opposite. Okay. So just a quick, yes, a winning trade, but now if this does decide to break out, I would be potentially. So let's go back to the options. And if this thing wants to get up there, I might be interested in some puts for a fake breakout, just as though, just like there was a fake breakdown here. Now looking like maybe a fake breakout to the upside. So I'll keep an eye on it. But for now, I will go ahead and pause. And just a quick update, currently down 231. Have an order at 1125 here. Trying to get filled on the back test here. Nice in. And out there, very nice for a quick $150 score. If you blinked, you missed it. Go to 1050 now. Try it again. But there we go. Another nice trade there. So I'm now down 81. I will go ahead and pause. Well, never mind. We're starting to get... maybe some movement back up. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 850. Okay, I don't like how it's hesitating. It's going to go to 785 at this point. Okay, well, it did drop back down, but it stopped right before I was potentially going to get filled. So I'll go to 750 now. Okay, so it wants to make another move up. So there you go. Throw a bid out there at 750, and we'll see if it can get up there or not. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. Down $81 with commissions. I don't know. Let's just call it $100, which I am very pleased with. That first trade. You know what really got me was that slippage. I had $268 of slippage. That was supposed to be at most $500 loss there, but I tried to let it give me a second. It never came back down, and then it just ripped and exploded up against me. So this would definitely be an example of just use a hard stop. Now, there's plenty of examples where you don't want to use a hard stop because you can sometimes get cheap shotted out. But in this situation, yeah, in hindsight, I should have used a hard stop. But there's plenty of other times where I could sit there and say, geez, I should not have used a hard stop. So, it's always give and take. But yeah, there's no doubt about it. You are right. If you're going to comment, you should have used a hard stop. In this situation, you're absolutely right. Which is crazy to think that $268 in slippage, which would have had me green on the day had I just gotten out where I should have. But that's just the way things go sometimes. But overall, all things considered, down $768 on that first trade and closing now down only $100. That is a hole that I'm more than confident I'll be able to get back. in another trade. And for you longer time viewers, you've definitely seen me make well over $100 in a single trade. I mean, you saw me do it in this video in and of itself. So yeah, the trade slippage definitely got me on this one. But overall, very happy with how things turned out. Down $100 after a nasty first trade. Sometimes you just got to survive so that you can thrive. And today was certainly one of those survival days. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Hit that like button, leave a simple comment below. Helps out the YouTube algorithm, helps get these videos out there more, which really helps out the channel and makes it worth my time. And as long as I know it's continue to be worth my time, then I'll continue to do these videos. So like I said, I really do appreciate your help. And you can help out simply by hitting that like button. Like I said, leaving a basic comment down below. So everybody take care. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. All right, I have an order at 675, looking to play some puts here. Happen to be at my computer. I like this move. Need Tesla to come up a bit more. So I am in there now at 675, looking to get $7. So nothing big here. I don't need Tesla to crash or anything, but just needed to pull back a bit more. This move's pretty crazy right now. So in my mind, this is overdone. And not that I think that it's going to reverse and crash like I said, but do I think it can come down a bit? Yeah, absolutely. So just needed to come down a bit more. And we'll see if it wants to do that or not. Again, like I said, don't need a crash. Okay, so it's pulling back here a bit. Need it to come down a bit more. A little bit more. Nice. And I am out for a $125 win. So very nice. And that's all you need. And now there was a little luck here involved in the sense of I just happened to be in the right place at the right time. I was at my computer. So I don't mean luck in the sense of just randomly doing something. But I was just at my computer and decided to take the trade, and it worked out just fine. So from being down $7.68 to now being up 44 with commissions on, let's call it $30, I am very happy with that. So if there's anything that you take away from this, manage risk. Sometimes slippage happens. It's annoying. It's part of the game, though. So you just got to manage that risk and keep on fighting. So again, hit that like button. Leave a simple comment below. Everybody, thanks. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.